Have you heard about Beetroot X Green Tea? It is more than just a skincare trend, it is a science-backed health and wellness powerhouse. From boosting your energy and improving focus to detoxifying your liver and supporting your heart, this dynamic duo is quietly redefining natural health. Let us break down exactly why this simple blend is backed by solid research and absolutely loved by wellness experts. So what is green tea really? It comes from the Camellia sinensis plant, the very same source as black and oolong teas. The key difference? Its leaves are heated and dried before they can oxidize, which is what locks in that vibrant green color and its incredible nutrient profile. Green tea is naturally rich in polyphenols, catechins, and L-theanine. These are powerful compounds linked to sharper focus, better heart health, and reduced inflammation. Now let's talk benefits. The antioxidants in green tea, especially its polyphenols, protect your cells from damage and can help slow the aging process. For brain health, compounds like EGCG may lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, while L-theanine promotes a state of calm focus. It's also great for your heart, as it can help lower bad cholesterol and blood pressure, reducing your risk of stroke. Some studies even show it can give your metabolic rate a slight boost, especially when combined with exercise. Plus, green tea supports insulin sensitivity and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. In short, it's a tiny leaf with massive benefits. Now meet its perfect match. Beetroot. Beetroot is absolutely packed with nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide. This amazing molecule opens up your blood vessels and improves oxygen delivery throughout your entire body. Beetroot also contains betalains, which are powerful anti-inflammatory pigments that help keep your heart, liver, and skin thriving. When we combine beetroot and green tea, we unlock something even more powerful. Together, beetroot and green tea form a circulatory and energy powerhouse. Let's look at the synergy. For your heart and circulation, beetroot's nitrates relax and widen blood vessels, while green tea's catechins improve how they function. The result? Lower blood pressure and better blood flow. When it comes to inflammation and cholesterol, the betalains in beetroot and the EGCG in green tea team up to reduce chronic inflammation. They also help lower bad LDL cholesterol while raising good HDL cholesterol. And for energy and performance, beetroot improves oxygen delivery to your muscles, while green tea reduces fatigue and adds focused energy thanks to its unique caffeine and L-theanine combination. You feel energized, calm, and mentally clear with no jitters. This blend also enhances blood flow to the brain and supports concentration, making it perfect for long work or study sessions. Both of these ingredients are also natural detox allies. The betaine in beetroot supports liver function and helps reduce fat buildup in the liver. At the same time, green tea's antioxidants prevent inflammation and help your body flush out toxins. Together, they protect your liver while giving your skin and your whole body a refreshed, detoxified glow. And there are other wellness benefits too. This combination supports metabolism and weight management. It helps strengthen bones and improve gut health. It can even help your teeth, as green tea inhibits the bacteria that cause cavities. It's truly holistic wellness, all in one vibrant, antioxidant-rich blend. So how can you make it? Here are a few easy ways to try Beetroot X Green Tea at home. You can make a latte by mixing beetroot powder and matcha powder with warm milk or water. For a smoothie, just blend brewed green tea with beetroot, a banana, and some spinach for a refreshing glow smoothie. Or you can mix fresh beetroot juice with chilled green tea for a perfect pre-workout drink. Drink it, apply it, or both your body will thank you. So the next time you sip your green tea or slice a beet, remember, nature's most powerful healing often happens when you combine its gifts. Comment Glow Duo below if you're going to try this at home. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed beauty and wellness secrets that work from the inside out. Thanks for watching.